see him on a leash and with a license. You understand? Or else he goes to the pound where they put him to sleep. Understand?
Yes, officer. I understand. On a leash and with a license.
All right. Now run along with yourself before you catch another cold in this weather.
Oh, I don't mind the weather. When I'm stuck with my